Hi all, welcome to Tech is Knowledge, and as part of Python Basics, today we will see about the comment, comments, how we can comment a single line in Python program, and how we can comment multiple lines, and what is document string in Python and all. Okay, let's take a function. We have a one function which will be here, right? Is taking two values and it is doing the sum and printing that sum value here. Okay, and let's see, right? So okay, here it is returning, okay, the value is of a is okay 1 and the value of b is 2. Okay, so here we don't want to execute these comments, these two print statements, so then we can comment those lines using the hash. Okay, so here we are commenting these two lines so that it will not be executed and then print, right, those values. See here, it's not executing those lines and printing them. So here basically we are commenting these lines. Okay, so to comment in Python we will use the hash. Okay, so this is the one how we can use the hash to comment the lines, and even we can not only to comment the program lines, right, and even if we want to write something about this function, right, so this function will return sum of two values. Okay, so even we can use comment section to describe about the function, what this function is going to do and all. Right, so right, this is the another usage where we can use the comment, and to comment the hash we will be used. Okay, and here what we are doing here, we are commenting multiple lines, but still we are using the hash only. But if we have 100 lines and you want to comment those 100 lines, we can't use the hash for every line, right? So for that purpose we have a single triple quotes. Okay, single triple quotes, and which will comment it, like it will work as a comments. Okay, but normally in Python there is no multi-line comment. We have a concept is like a we can use it, which triple single quotes or triple double quotes, which will work as a comment, multi-line comment. But actually what is happening here, if we are not assigning this string, right, these lines to any variable, then it will behave as a comment. Okay, and we mostly the right, so it will behave as a comment, and mostly we will use this single triple quotes or double triple quotes for the document string. Okay, document string, it means here we are writing in single line, right, about this function. But if we have the more details, like if we have the big functionality in the function we are doing it, then you have to explain that functionality in the multiple lines. Okay, then we will use this document string. Okay, then we will explain about the function what is exactly is doing in the here. Right, so that is the way we will use the document string. We will not, mostly here in Python there is no multi-line comment, and it will work as a comment because we are not assigning those strings or the lines to any variable, right. Then it's not considering as a statements, it will be considered as a comment. Okay, that's the only difference. Okay, for the comment anything in the Python we will use the single line, we will use the hash, and for the multi-line or you want to explain about the function or the class anything, then you can use the single triple quotes or double triple quotes. And here these strings or the values are not assigning to any variable, that's why it will not be considered as the line of code, and it will consider as the comments. Okay, and we are saying this is a document string, right. How we can access this document string? Okay, if you before you want to use this function and you want to see what the function is going to do, right, then you can access that document string of that function using the help function. Okay, use the function name help of and give that function name. Okay, then it will display about right, the about the document string. Here it is displaying both, because here all this document string whatever it is there in the single triple quotes or the double triple quotes, it will consider as a document string and those lines will be printed. Okay, so that's the difference. Okay, if we use the single triple quotes and double triple quotes, it will be considered as a document string. It will not be considered as the any line of code. Okay, but it is not impacting the program because we are not assigning these values to any variable, and it is working as a comment here. Okay, and another way we can access this comment document string way is we have a attribute, built-in attribute, which is a doc. Okay, it will display only the document string. Okay, see here, it is displaying only the document string. Okay, and it is not right, we can write it only the single time, and see here, it will now the display completely. Right, it is considering as a string a part of these double quotes, and then it is printing. Okay, this is the what about the comments is like a single line. If you want to comment in Python, we can use the hash, and if you want to comment or if you want to give some details about the function or the class, then we can use the single triple quotes or double triple quotes, and it will behave as a document string. To access the document string, we can use the help function, or we have a document attribute. Okay, this is a built-in attribute, and we can access the document string and see about what the function or class is doing. Okay, and this is about all about the comment in Python. And thank you for watching, and if you are not subscribed to Techies Knowledge, please do subscribe, and thank you for watching. Thank you.